make some statements that as you hear them and as you listen, and there isn't anything for you to do except just listen to these words, we're going to show you how to construct some thought roadways that then will make it easy for you to pick right up and take right off. Good idea? So I accept that I live in a vibrational universe, and I like the idea of getting back to the core of vibration. I can feel that that's primal or visceral. I can feel that that's where my inner being is, that's who my inner being is. And I can easily accept that my inner being is a pure vibration, an uncluttered vibration, meaning no resistance. I can feel that my inner being is a vibration of love. I can feel that my inner being is a vibration of love and worthiness. In other words, known value, personal known value. I can feel that my inner being is love and is source and knows it and stands in this central place of radiating well-being. I can feel that that's who my inner being is, and I love it when I hook up with that, and I do often. I can feel when I'm really in alignment with that, and I can feel when I'm not. I love that I have this guidance system. I'm glad that my emotions are such good indicators to me. And I can feel when I'm skirting on the edge, and I can feel when I dive right in, and I can feel when I'm far from it. I'm really getting a good handle on my emotions, which give me my clear indication of my alignment with this core of stability and excellence and exuberance and love and passion and power. I can feel the fullness of the power of the universe at times, and I know that I can access that power and that I can direct it toward whatever matters to me. I just love knowing that I'm an extension of that, and I'm not even bothered in realizing that sometimes I deviate from that power, because I know I was born to do a little deviating. I know I was born to sift through the contrast to give birth to some desires, and so I've been doing that. I've been sifting. I've been knowing what I don't want and knowing what I do want, and I can feel that I have built a really powerful vortex of creation that I'm now ready to tap into. I like knowing it's there, and I like the idea of building some roadways to it. And I like knowing that unless I'm doing that thing I'm doing that's constructing other roadways, that I'm right there. And I also like knowing that I don't have to tear down the other roadways. I just have to, from right now where I am, just hook up with the one that leads to where I want to go. It's like all paths are possible. I'm just going to hook up with the one vibrationally that will lead me where I want to go. So I'm now getting that creation isn't about asking Abraham or figuring out on my own how to manifest stuff. I'm understanding that creation is how to figure out how to hook in with the thought ways that take me to the road that takes me in the direction of what I'm wanting to go. That my work in every moment is the creation of a thought now that hooks me up in the direction of where I want to go. I don't have to figure out how to build the whole highway or how to build the whole house or how to build the whole life or how to build the whole dream. I just have to figure out how to get on the highway moving in the right direction. I just have to find those just beginning pieces of it. And I know that they always feel good when I find them. I can find them by frivolously playing doodle jump. I can find them by taking a walk on the beach. I can find them by putting on my headphones and listening to music. I can find them by putting my feet in the water and looking at the clouds or the stars. In other words, I don't have to be hard after anything. All I have to do is hook up with the thought ways. And most of the effort that me and everybody else I know has been offering, the effort that I offer hooks me up with the wrong pathway. My effort is wrong-headed. It's my relaxing, it's my letting it go, it's my letting it be that hooks me up with the right pathway. So here I am. I'm all hooked up. I'm hooked up. I'm tuned in, tapped in, turned on. I can feel my alignment with Source. And now, in my alignment with Source, I think I would like to entertain myself, surprise and delight myself a little bit. I would like to enjoy myself by talking to myself about what a good creator I am. I think I will entertain myself with those pleasing thoughts that are so in sync with who I am right now in this moment. For example, I created, and I really liked it,
a beautiful child that I adopted.
I managed to come into vibrational alignment with someone who is at core a vibrational match to me without even giving birth to this child. Talk about the laws of the universe coming into sync for me. I'm really, really good at allowing well-being to flow to me in that way. There was no earning. There was just allowing it to be. And the universe knocked itself out big time in creating, in co-creating with me this magnificent thing. In fact, of all of the things that I've created, this is my greatest triumph. I know that there will be more equal, but this is magnificent. I am so good at what I do. I am so good at what I do. I love co-creating with this universe who has all of the resources and all of the knowledge of everything I want and the knowledge of where everything is in relationship with me about everything that I want. I am in such good hands with these universal forces who guide me moment by moment, incrementally. Things are always working out for me. No matter what, things are always working out for me. Because in every moment I'm either contributing to the vortex or I'm lining up with it. Things are always working out for me. You see? What else? One more thing. One more thing.
A career that has credits I'm very proud of.
Right there. Right there. What else?
A lovely husband who makes me laugh.
Big time. Big time alignment. Big time creation. Big time kudos to you. What else?
A circle of friends I adore.
And first in the hot seat. Good time for a segment of the
Thank you.